Welcome to our channel Tech Basics. In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to log into WorkHours. It's a very simple steps. All you gotta do is follow along step by step and you'll be logged in and ready to go in no time. Let's open up our Google Chrome. You can use any site, that's not a problem. Let's tap in the search bar, let's tap in WorkHours login, hit enter. And make sure you tap into the official site, which is this one right here. And it may take some time. And there, you'll be greeted with the WorkHours login page. That is welcome back. Let's type in our email. And of course, your password. If you want this site to remember your credentials or information, then you can simply tap in the square box. And next time you come back to the site, you don't need to type anything, but let's leave it like that for now. And of course, like if you have forgotten your password, you don't need to worry at all. You can tap in this forgot password option, and that's it. We have come to the final step, that is just clicking into that sign in button, and you'll be signed in no time. Also, you can sign in with LinkedIn, through your Facebook account, your Apple ID, or even your Google account. There's different options. And also, if you are a new user and you haven't created an account yet, you can tap into this create a new account and create a new account in your WorkHours. That's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Basics. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.